Today our topic is acid base indicator. Uh, an indicator you can define as an indicator is a substance or compound which gives the idea about the given material which is being tested, that which type of solution is this. You mean that either it is an acid or a base, or something, a neutral solution. So different indicators are available in the universe, but today our topic of discussion is the phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein indicator is used in acid-base titration. In acid, it shows no color; it is colorless. But if we used in a base, it gives a pink color or red color, which shows that it is a base. Let me show you by an experiment. Here, just putting of naphthalene in base, it turns into pink.